Assalamu alaikum dear students, this is Sir Mohsin. I welcome you with another lecture. So today I am going to teach you from section grammar lesson number 20. So let's get started. Here is the topic, question patterns. So today I am going to teach you that how we make questions. Okay? So questions may be asked in a direct way or by using a statement followed by a question tag. So there are different ways of making questions. How do you make questions? You can make a question in a direct way or you can make a question by using question tag. So first of all, let's see how do you make questions. Direct questions are those requiring a yes or no questions, means yes or no response, and those asking for information. The first type of question begins with be verb, means is a mar was were, and as a main verb. Below example number 1, below as you can see, or with an auxiliary before the subject, examples 2 to 7. Here I am trying to say that there are some direct questions which requires a response of yes or no, means you will answer in yes or no. For example, are you tired? So you will answer in yes or no. Yes I am, yes I am. For example, you will answer yes I am. Okay, so you can answer as well no I am not. So it's up to you. See, yes or no answer. It's up to you how do you answer. So these are the questions. It is the one of the term that we use, direct questions. You will answer in yes or no. Are you tired? You will answer yes I am or no I am not. As you can see, another question, are you going to the party? So you will answer yes I am, no I am not. Okay, so these questions are called direct questions. You will answer, you will respond in yes or no. There are other examples as well. As you can see, must I work today? So you will answer yes you must, no you must not. Will he come back to his job? So you will answer, how will you answer? You will answer yes he will or no he will not. Should I try to contact them again? So how will you answer? You will say yes you should or no you should not. Similarly, do you know how to play chess? So you will answer yes I do or no I don't. So 7, has the program started? So you will answer yes it has or no it has not. So these are the questions of yes or no. You will answer in yes or no. Okay, direct questions. So another type of question, questions asking for information begin with a question word such as what, when, where, who, whom, or how. These are the WH questions. Okay, you ask these questions, you use these words for taking information. Okay, means you are taking information, you are getting information by asking WH questions. It gives you complete information. Okay, these questions will give you complete information. So what is the time? You will answer, means you will give correct information. It is 7 o'clock, it is 8 o'clock. Okay, next one, when will you visit me? So you will give complete information. I will visit you tomorrow, I will visit you on Monday. Here it means these are the WH questions, you are going to give complete information. Okay, so these WH questions are used for giving information. Next, where does this road lead to? So you will answer this road leads to the airport. Another, who gave you this information? For example, you will answer Hamza gave me this information, Fahim gave me this information, my teacher gave me this information. Next, whom did you choose? I chose Ali, I chose Rahman. So okay, you will answer, you means you will give complete information. 6, which is the more expensive of the two watches? So you will answer Rado, means Rado and Royal, they are more expensive of two watches. You can also in one you can also answer in one word, means Rado is the more expensive of the two watches. Okay, means you can answer of those words in your when you are giving information. How do you operate this machine? Okay, so you will answer, you will give complete information. I operate this machine by a unique technique. I operate this machine by the technology. So okay, it's up to you how you answer. Next, another type of question. Sometimes instead of direct question, a statement followed by a question tag is used. Okay, question tag. What is question tag? We will learn. In such a question, if the statement is in the affirmative, the tag is in the negative, means vice versa. The statement is in the affirmative if the questioner expects or hopes for an affirmative answer. It is in the negative if the expects or hopes for a negative answer. The question tag should correspond with the statement in the auxiliary and the pronoun used. Means question tags means they are also used to answer, means to correct information, to get the correct information to the confirmation. Means you are getting the information, is it right or wrong, means you are confirming. So question tag is used for confirming, means for confirmation. Okay, for example, this is the correct way, so you will confirm it. Isn't it? So isn't it is a question tag. Okay, this is called question tag. This is the correct way, so you will use question tag. Isn't it? So it is called question tag. You have informed them, so question tag will be haven't you. The boys won't report the matter, so question tag is will they. He didn't cheat you, so question tag is did he. So there is a one term you need to understand, that when you use the sentence, if it is in the present tense, so question tag will be in present tense. If sentence is in perfect, so you will use question tag is in perfect. If question tag is in future, as you can see, so your question tag will be in future. If question tag in if sentence is in past simple, so question tag will be in past simple. Means you have to use the same tense. If you use here, means this is the correct way. If you use here wasn't it, so sentence will be wrong. Okay, so correct means if present, so question tag will be in present. Okay, same. So these are the information confirmation, means you are confirming the things. This is the correct way, isn't it, means you are confirming. Okay, question tag is used to confirm, to confirmation, for confirmation. Okay, you have informed them or haven't you. So as you need to understand one more thing, that if the sentence is in positive, so question tag will be in negative. Okay, see, as you can see, this is the correct way, it is positive, so this is negative question tag. Okay, if the sentence is in negative, so question tag will be in positive. As you can see, the boys won't report the matter, so it is positive way, will they. Okay, so these are the question tag. As you can see, where the verb in the statement is in affirmative, verb with no auxiliary, the question tag should consist of a form of auxiliary do. If present simple tense, if you use any present simple tense or past simple tense, there is no auxiliary, so you need to use do and did not. For example, in present tense, you know how to drive. Okay, as you know that when we make a negative sentence, so we use do or don't, we use don't. Okay, so you know how to drive, so question tag will be don't you. He arrived here punctually, so question tag will be didn't he. Means it is in the past, so we used past auxiliary. If it is in the present, so we use present auxiliary. Okay, so these are the question tags. So hopefully you guys have understood. So let's see the exercise. Exercise 1, supply the question corresponding to each answer. So let's turn over the page. As you can see the example, no, my sister is not coming with me. Is your sister coming with you? This is the question. So means you have to make questions first. Oh yes, I am pleased with my new job. So what will be the question? Are you pleased with your new job? Are you pleased with your new job? So answer will be yes, I am pleased with my new job. Yes, he told the manager of his plans. So what will be the question? Did he tell the manager of his plan? Did the manager tell of his plans? Question mark. So answer will be yes, he told the manager of his plans. Okay, so you have to make questions. These are the yes no question, these are the yes or no answers, so you have to make questions. Okay, in second exercise, supply the question corresponding to each answer. Begin with question with a question word. So you have to use wh word or how. Okay, wh word or how. He lives at the other end of the town. So you have to make sentence by using wh question or how. He lives at the other end of the town. So what will you make? Where does he live? Where does he live? So answer will be he lives at the other end of the town. Next, he took a taxi to work this morning. So what will be the question? You can make any question, it's up to you. How did he go to work? It can also come that when did he take a taxi? When did he take a taxi to work? So answer will be he took a taxi to work this morning. So you can make question by using when as well. Okay, it's up to you. I prefer the armchair. So you can make wh question. What do you prefer? What do you prefer? So answer will be I prefer the armchair. So you have to make wh questions. In exercise 3, give the contracted negative forms of the following words. It is very easy. You have to make contracted form, means short form. It is getting blur. I'm getting it right. Wait for a while. This camera is getting blur. Okay, now it's okay. So you have to make contracted form, isn't it? Isn't it? Are, aren't, do, don't, has, hasn't, can, can't. Okay, so similarly you have to make further negative words. Okay, means contracted words, short forms. Exercise 4, complete each question by supplying the correct question tag. So you have to make question tag.